You know how Rohit Sharma makes a century look effortless? Like he's not even trying. Like batting at that level is just casual for him. And the rest of us watch and think, yaar kitna talent hai. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Behind that ease is a system, a process, something that does the hard work before he even steps onto the pitch. The same thing is happening in video creation right now. And the people who found the system, they're making videos the way Rohit hits sixes. Fast, clean and making it look way too easy. Now let's talk about what they are actually using. This is AI Studios made by DeepBrain AI, and at first glance it looks like just another AI tool with a flashy homepage. But stick with this for a second because what it actually does is a bit hard to believe until you see it right in action. It comes loaded with 2000 realistic AI avatars, 2000 plus AI voices, lip sync that actually look natural, dubbing across 150 plus languages and 4K export. And that is not the interesting part though. The interesting part is what happens the moment you type something in it. So let us go through it feature by feature and step by step. So the first feature, and honestly the one that gets most people hooked, is called topic to video. And here is exactly how it works. You just have to log into AI Studios and you will see the dashboard. Now just search for topic to video and you'll find the option right there. You'll see a text box. Just type your topic, it can be anything. A product explainer, a tech breakdown, a how-to guide, something like how to start a YouTube channel, or best productivity apps in 2026. Just type it in plain language. And before hitting generate, you get a content settings panel. You can change the language, the duration, speed, and also your audience and the tonality of the video. Now hit next and the AI generates the entire script for you. You can then make relevant changes accordingly or regenerate the scenes by prompting. And on the next page, you can select the media source, which I have set to generative, then select the media type to AI videos, which uses View 3.1 to generate your scenes. Now select the style from the options like realistic, 3D or anime. Choose the template and the avatar and hit generate and your video will be ready in just a few minutes. And the whole thing from typing the topic to having a complete video draft takes about 2 to 5 minutes, not 2 to 5 hours. And that is just feature number 1 of AI Studios. Now here is what most people completely overlook when they first find AI Studios. It is not just for new ideas. Everything you already created, every blog post, every article, every PDF, every presentation can be turned into a video right here. Just write down your own script or generate a script using AI. Then adjust the content settings as required and enter the title for the video. Hit next and follow the same steps as topic to video. Hit generate and your video will be ready in minutes, which you can easily export. So if there's a backlog of written content sitting somewhere on your hard drive that never got repurposed, this clears it all out in one shot. And that is still not the most powerful feature on this platform, because what comes next is where AI Studios starts to feel genuinely different from everything else out there. Now here is something that is going to be especially useful if you're selling anything online. That is product videos. Just select product videos from the dashboard, upload your product image and select your avatar. Hit generate and your avatar will be ready holding your actual product. And now the best part. Enter your brand script and click on create video. And that's it. A full video generated in minutes without any camera or a studio. But what if you want the avatar to look actually like you? And that is where custom avatars come in. Click on create avatar. Now you can either record your video directly or upload your own video. Enter your character name, fill in the checklist and give your consent in the form of your signature. Click on confirm video. It will take a few minutes, but your own custom avatar will be ready. And on the left sidebar, you have everything you need to build a complete video without leaving the screen. Model to control your avatar, text to add titles or on-screen text, captions to auto-generate subtitles in one click, media for stock footage and visuals, assets for everything you have uploaded, including screen recordings, shapes for design overlays, and interactions to add clickable buttons and decision points inside the video itself. Now write your script on the right and your avatar delivers it. Everything else gets built from this one sidebar. No camera, no studio, no switching between different tools. And the best part, you can now use your own avatar in any video you create on the platform with your same voice, same face, your same brand without ever setting up a camera again. So let us bring this back to where we started. Rohit does not make it look easy because he's lucky. He makes it look easy because the system behind him is doing the heavy lifting. Topic to video, script to video, product videos, custom avatars, 150 plus languages, all inside one platform. And the free plan is live right now at aistudios.com. You can create your first video today and see for yourself how the whole things work. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Mobile App Daily for more useful videos like this.